The Panda used for the import the large number of the systematic data into the Python. Okay, that's why we use. So how to import? First, what we need to do? First, we need already when you install the Anaconda, na, that time the Panda, NumPy, that library already downloaded inside your Anaconda Chrome. So now just you need to call that particular library. So how to call the library? You need to write import, like import pandas. That's it. Okay. And when I shift enter, so now it will run, and now that particular library is imported. Okay.
Module not found.
Module not found.
Yes.
Both are getting module not found. Okay. So what you need to do if module not found? Go to okay, here. Go and click on the Anaconda prompt.
Sir, open demo together.
One. Click on Anaconda prompt
Hmm.
and okay, so I created the new environment and try to make means that environment operation analytics like that OA environment I made. Now I will do the import OA pandas, okay, and it will show error also. Okay, to be okay, it is present. So if it not showing the error means what you need to do, you just write here. If shows the error, na pip install pandas. First write this, run this particular program line. Pip install pandas means that particular library is not available in your system, so you need to install first that library, then only you can run. Okay, so I have that particular library already, that's why it shows requirement already satisfied. But in your case it will download all the file and then run this particular again import pandas, then it will work. Okay. Okay, so now installation is done, and when you run import pandas, it will work now. Okay, now the thing is, I don't want to write pandas again. Okay, I just want to write PD instead of panda. So for alias, for making the alias, how you can write pandas as PD. PD means when I call PD, it automatically understand कि PD is the alias of pandas library. Okay, so when I run, now it is work. Okay. Okay, so the next point, I want to see what is the present working dictionary PWD. When I type the PWD, it will show present working dictionary, means where actually this all the thing is going on in your system. Okay, so when I run the PWD, it shows in my system it is in the C user admin, this particular file. In your
It shows the
system,
location where the file is stored.
where the file, this particular file is stored. Okay. Okay. The next point, when I click on means when I type ls means the local system related thing, it will show when I run this particular what it shows. The volume in the drive C has no label. Okay, these are the thing. Now, what are the dictionary present in that particular location? What are the all the thing will show here. Okay, so there you can see. These are the even data also present. So what the thing I'm trying to tell you initially, what I share the one file advertisement, right? That file save here means copy paste here in this particular dictionary. C user admin. Okay, are you able to understand?
तो वहाँ पे सेव करें.
Yes. So now when you pass that advertisement file into the PWD here, PWD, and now you have that advertisement file into your present working dictionary PWD. Okay, so now the point how to read that Excel file. Okay, how to read the Excel file, or for reading the Excel file actually be importing this pandas library, right? Now, so what I will do, the PD, I am using PD means pandas. Okay, now dot read, pd dot read underscore csv, and now what is the file name? add, you can directly copy also, no issue. Advertising CSV, right? This is the file name.
Yes.
Okay, and when I run this particular thing, now see, you will get your Excel file here. 1 minute, some error is getting, maybe some that file is available in my dictionary. I will check. Wait. This is the actual Excel file, and now we okay. This is the another file that I will tell you. So now I will go to the Jupyter notebook, and that particular CSV file is imported. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the thing? Now we are, by use of the Pandas library, we are able to read the the CSV file, Excel file, and all thing. Maybe the question come in your mind, "Yeah, what type of the file we can read?" Okay, so I can see here what type of the file you can read. Just wait 1 minute. So 1 minute, it will tell when I, okay. So just wait 1 minute, and if I write here pd dot read, okay, and underscore, it should tell me 1 minute. Just write pd read, and when I press the tab, you can see now what type of the file I can read by use of the Pandas library. Okay, here you can see CSV file, Excel file. So when you put the Excel file, read underscore Excel you need to write. Okay, when you read, means there are many file, HTML file, means directly you can read the HTML file, JSON file, pickles, there are a lot of things. Okay, actually XML, because we are recently saved in XML, right? So you need to write read underscore XML, then you can read the XML file also. So these are the features available. So maybe in your mind come ki, okay, only we can read CSV. No, you can read all type of the file approx. Okay, so how to check all these things? By you just pressing the tab. Okay, when you press the tab, it will show.
बट सर इसका XML फाइल अपलोड नहीं हो रहा था ना तो ये कैसे करें?
Analytics purpose, what I will be do, first I will convert this Excel file into the one variable. Okay, when I want to call this Excel file again and again, so I, instead of calling or entire this function, I will call one variable na, like a b. So okay, I just call this particular variable with the df, data frame. Okay, because it is actually frame of the data, table of the data, and table of the data generally be known as a data frame, right? So I just press enter. See, so now what is the df? When I call the df, you will get that table. Are you able to understand? I just assign the one variable df. Okay,
Yes.
so I can easily call the df instead of calling the entire line. Okay, so now what is the type of DF? When I see the type of DF, you will get the data frame. Okay, what is the type of DF? This is the data frame. Okay. So when you read the Excel file, always pandas will be there. Okay. So type DF means it is a panda score and the frame, and you can say that this is the data frame. Okay, data frame means you can say the entire table. Okay, now okay, this is the thing. Now I want to check. Okay, this is the data frame, I'm understand. Now what is the this TV, radio, and newspaper? What type of the actually means the type of data present inside each column? How to check that particular thing? Okay, each column means column 1 is the TV. So what type of the data present in the TV column? What type of the data present in the newspaper column, in the radio column? So how to check? Okay, just type df, okay, dot data type. So d types,
df dot
t types. Okay, df means the data frame, means that is the one variable present the entire table, and the dot d types. Okay, so when I df dot d type press, then you can see the 0 is the integer, means that I will explain. Just wait. What is the TV related data are the float, radio related data are the float, newspaper related data float, and the sales related data is the float.
So 64 क्या है?
64 is the your system related thing. 32
Mm.
bit 64.
Yes, yes.
That is not means our
Mm.
part, but just we can understand the float
Yes.
type, integer type, and what type of the thing actually. Okay. So now the point is when I import this particular table,
Mm.
and there 1 2 3 4 already the serial number is present, but Python also return the 0 1 2 3 195 and all thing. Here you can see
Yes.
why it is written for the indexing purpose. Means it means Python also make the index of each row for the reference purpose. Okay,
Mm.
so that's why when you import anything, it will give you the 0 1 2 3 by automatically one column will be added. Okay, in actual file you can see this is the actual file, and here 1 2 3 4 this is the serial number. Okay,
Yes.
okay, I just put the serial number here, and let's see how the file will work. The if same file, then it will work. I think this is the I will not open the same file, but just see how it is. No, I open the another file. That means I need to change into the pwd.
फिर
This
तो आपको वहाँ सेव करना पड़ेगा ना फिर
हाँ, so
वो
in
एक्सेल शीट्स
PWD, if I open that particular file, and if I change the name, so I can change. But I don't want to do that manual type of series. I will do all the thing in the coding one. Okay. So are you able to understand how to identify each column type of the data? Means in every column, what type of the data present you can see here easily.
यस
Okay, now the next point I want to see. Okay, there are large number of files. Suppose many time when I call the df, what will happen? Just see, this is the df, all the means file, this entire thing 200 total rows is present and 5 column is present in the excel file. How many rows present in that excel file? Here clearly written
200
200 rows and 5 columns. Now the next point, I want to see top 5, means top 5 line. So how I can see df dot head, and this will show the top 5 line. Df dot head means top, head means top. Okay, so here you can see the top 5 data will be present here. Okay, so Python indexing, you know it will start with the
स्टार्ट फ्रॉम
0,
जीरो यस
but our actual serial number is 1 2 3 4 5,
यस
and this is the top 5 data. Okay, I want to see only top 2 data. Okay, so how you can see, just write in the bracket 2 and run, it will show 2. Okay, type 6, okay, it will show 6. Type 100, okay, it will show 100. Okay, are you able to get my point?
यस
Okay, so I just type, means by default just want to see the 5. Okay, so by default it will take 5 and it will show you the top 5 data. Okay, the same thing you can do, means I want to see the bottom 5. Okay, how to see the bottom 5 data? So just type df dot tail. Okay, and this is the general, miss, it will show the last 5 row, 196 197 198 199 200, last 5. Okay, and type with me, huh? Okay, the next, okay, I want to see only last two row. So what you need to do, just type 2. You want to see last 10. Okay, last 10 you can also see last 10, are you able to see? Okay, but
यस
I will put the by default 5. By default it will take 5. So like that in any excel file you can see, you can see the last 5 row, top 5 row by use of the function like df dot head and df dot 10. Okay, the next point is how to see, means how many number of the column present and what is the name of the column. I want to check that particular thing. Okay, so what is the name of the column? Here in the excel file, when I see go to the excel file, that particular excel file, so you can see there is no name present. Okay, so by default Python is taken unnamed 0. Okay, but I want to check, okay, what is the column? So what you need to do, df dot columns and run this particular code. Now you are able to see the column present TV, radio, newspaper, sales, and the entire data type it is considered as an object. Object means you can say string, str type data. So are you able to get the column? Suppose many time when you get the Excel file, there may be the 60, 70 column, okay, and you want to check the 60, 70 column. How you can check? By use of the one line, means small code. Check all the column, okay. Now, okay, this is the point. The next, okay, maybe you can say, okay, I want to, in this particular table, I want to see only TV related column. Okay, entire table, I am not interested to see entire table. I am interested to see only TV wala column. Okay, so how you can check the TV? To check, okay, so what I will be do, you aware about that, okay, by use of the indexing, by use of that we can easily call the same capital bracket and use this TV. Okay, TV column, if you want to see, okay, I want to see the TV column. Okay, I just pass the TV here in the capital bracket, and if I run now, the TV related data only present. This data is related to TV only.
Yes.
Okay, I want to see the radio related data. Okay, radio related data also you can see. So in the means maybe there large number of the column is available, and if you want to call a particular column, then you can call by use of this thing. Okay. Now the point next, if I use the DF radio, okay, and this is what is the type of this particular data. I want to check. Okay, the type of the this entire column is the float. Okay, but when I run the table, entire table, it shows the data frame.
Yes.
But when only one column present, then it shows the data series. Okay, so what is the data series? You will understand. Just wait. I just want to check the type here, and I pass that particular thing. And if I check, it is a series. Initially, what it shows? Data frame. Now it shows the series. Series means single column. Data frame means multiple column. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Okay. I want two TV and radio. Both the column I want to see in one code.
Why not?
Huh? Okay. So what I will be do? I know that na ki this one is the radio. Okay. I want to see the TV also. Okay. So just use the this one, the TV. I think TV. Okay, capital only and comma. Okay. It will give the df.tv. Okay. It will give the output. I one minute. Okay, so why I'm getting the error? Okay, so here just see the error. This is the key error. Okay, why I'm getting the error? I know that. Just wait. I just try to check. It is okay now. Huh. So what is the point is here? I when I want to call only single column, then I use the capital bracket. But if I want to call no, if I want to call the more than one column, then use the double bracket.
Okay.
Okay, so why double bracket, that I will tell you. Just wait. Now run. It's work. So what is the thing? The single bracket, it is indicate the series. And when I use the double bracket, it indicate the data frame. Okay, so when I check this particular thing again, so it will not show the series now. Okay, this is the data. This one is the data. Okay, and now if I check what is the data frame, go here, and now if I just want to check the type, okay, so I here type, and now see, now you can see this is the data frame.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why when you call the data frame, use the double capital bracket, and you call the single line column, then use the single capital. Okay. So for required the data, na, when you required lot of data for the just for the project and all thing, okay. I just put here this particular thing. So when you require the
तो
data,
माइनस पे क्लिक करना ना उस पे वो मिनिमाइज हो जाएगा
sometime I need to stop now. So
हम्म
that's okay. So there is the some this uh, dataset related website is available. Like first one, there is the UCI repository, machine learning repository. Here means you will get a lot of data for the analytics purpose. Okay, so there a lot of data is available. Means you want to check area wise and all thing. I just tell you this means where you will get the data. Okay, suppose this is the banking marketing related data. So these are the data available for the analysis purpose. Okay, so CSV file is available. When you click on the data folder, you will get the CSV file and all. I quickly go through. Okay, and even I will tell you more about that in the coming session. The next is the Kaggle, that is the one data set related means organization, and there also you will get the data set for any. Okay, so you can use like operation related data on the Kaggle, just search and you will get the data and you can do the analysis. Okay, so here data set is available, and the data set, there are lot of data set is available. Just search what type of the data you needed: computer science, education, classification, computer vision, data visualization, all the thing is available. Okay, and you can download that Excel file. Means generally CSV file is available. Download the CSV file and you can do the practice and you
हम्म
can do the some analysis. Okay, and even their competition also available. Okay, you can participate on the competition and you will get the prize if you do the some good analytics. Okay,
हम्म
these are the files, as well as on the GitHub dataset. There also you can get the data. Here also lot of collection of the data. You can get the any type of the data CSV file. Okay, these are the three means most popular dataset libraries, or you can say the website. There you will get the lot of data for your analysis practice. Okay, so now okay, these are the thing. I will go to the code share link, and this link is given to you. Okay, this
yes
particular link, what is the, this is the website link, GitHub website link. I just control A and C and check what type of the data present on this particular link. This is the Titanic data set. Okay, so when I click here, this is the Titanic data set. Okay, so Titanic, are you aware about that movie and
yes
the incident? Okay, so that data set is available and we try to analyze those data. Okay, this lot of data. I don't want to download all this data. Okay, so by just use of the link.
नहीं वो सबने लिंक भेजा था ना अपने को ओपन करने को बोला था उस पे जा
Yes, yes, it is available on GitHub. Okay, so that's why I just go through the Kaggle UCI repository and the Kaggle. Okay, these are the data set website, and there you will get the data. So now I go here, go to the main code, go your main code, and now I try to read PD, and that is also CSV, right? So PD dot read, and what is the thing, underscore CSV,
पीडी
and that particular link copy paste here. This is the link, na?
सर क्या करना है पीडी डॉट स्लैश
PD underscore, that is the same thing which we done earlier. PD pandas read CSV.
रीड सीएस
Earlier you open that Excel file, na?
हाँ
Same,
हाँ हाँ
same read CSV, and here you need to write, you need to put the that particular link.
हम्म
Okay. So I'm not that file is not available in my this system.
yes
Then also I'm able to call. Okay. Now if I run, it will give the output.
yes
Okay. So in that particular file, you can see there is the passenger ID is available. How many passengers? Means zero means that particular person is not survived. One means particular person is survived in that particular incident, Titanic incident. Okay. The passenger name is given. The means sex is given. Age is given. All the thing is given here. Okay, the fare, how much fare is that is given. So this data is given in that particular Excel sheet. Okay, so I want, okay, so this is the this particular I don't want to call for entire data set. I don't want to call this entire line. Okay, so for that I assign this as a df. So when I call the df, I can easily call the entire data set, okay, of the Titanic. So when I call the df, now you can call the entire data set, okay. And the next point, I want to see only top five. What I will be do, head.
df dot head.
तो df already present ना?
हाँ आप
Okay,
direct
okay,
head बोला ना इसे.
okay, okay. So df dot head, and now it is present. Okay. So now what type of the data is given? Okay, I just for I already zoom out now my screen. So wait, I take the top two. Okay. And what is the column name here? Passenger ID survived, means it is that particular passenger survived in that accident or not. And what is the class? There may be the first class, second class, third class is available. Name of the person, the means sex, female, male, age, what is the age, as well as their SIP special, means some another thing is available. The ticket is given, the fare amount is given, the cabin number if available then given, and embarked. Some data is available. The point is the data is available, but when you take the operation data and any data, first learn about the data. Means what is the reason and what is the purpose of each column. Here we are just now we are discussing just how to import and all thing. But when you do the actual analysis, okay, means you try to identify some hidden pattern inside the data, right? So that time you should understand each column.
Yes.
Okay, that type of the data we will take. After that I will take the some operation related data, so you will understand. But just now we are trying to understand how to take the data online without downloading, how to use the some website for the data, that we try to understand, okay, by use of the pandas library. So right now we are means learning about the pandas, okay.
So for the columns again, we will do the same thing like the brackets. For
Yeah.
example, if I want only the passenger ID
Hmm.
and name and hour, so we have to mention the double.
Yeah, double capital means
Yeah.
bracket, and put whatever the column you want, just call the column, you will get. I will call what the thing you want to call.
First passengers.
Passengers and name and ticket.
Passenger name and ticket, okay. So okay, you have the df, right?
Yeah.
What you want to first go and df dot columns I just want to write, okay, columns. Okay, now you have column. Just what you want to do, just use the double. What you want to see?
Passenger name.
Passenger ID.
Passenger ID, okay.
And name
Hmm.
and ticket. That's it.
Passenger ID, okay. So passenger ID is taken. Oh, 1 minute, I forgot to control C. Do the control C. Now passenger ID, passenger class,
Passenger name.
name, and age.
Ticket.
Ticket, okay. Okay, all the three is present here. Just call, you will get passenger ID, name, ticket.
Yes.
Okay, so like that you can call any type of the data. How to call a particular column, how to see the top 5 row, bottom 5 row, that you can do. Okay,
Yes.
there are many things we will do. Just wait. Okay, so I just take one more website data, and that is not CSV. That is the website page. So how
Just like link.
just like link. So how to call that there, means if data is available, then how to call that type of the data, that we will understand. What about in this web page, there are lot of data is available.
Yes.
For 14, 15, you click now, there are lot of data available. With player wise, the means points is available for every player.
Yes.
Are you able to see?
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to call this particular page in my Python, this particular page. Okay, so I copy this particular link. This link is copied. Okay, Control C. Just do the Control A, Control C, and I will go to the my Python page, Jupyter notebook. Okay, and what I need to do now?
pd dot read bracket
PD dot read,
small bracket copy the link.
PD dot just see read. Then what type of the file this one?
Yes.
This file is not CSV. This is the HTML.
Mm.
Okay, so see here HTML is available. This one is the HTML. When you press the tab, all the option will be come out.
But
Okay.
sir, in previous one we did not
No, there dot CSV is written. Go to the previous link.
Yes, yes. We
That
have
is the
written
CSV file
Yes,
on
yes.
online. Okay, this is the HTML file.
Mm-hmm.
Dot HTML.
Yes.
Okay. So now this is the HTML file. Okay. This particular thing I pass in the okay. Run this file. The point, I'm getting the data but not in the proper format. So what I need to do? I'm getting the data.
Yes.
Okay, when you pass the, you get the some data. Okay, but I want some clear data. Okay, so what is the thing when the website they made now? So all the data is assigned with respect to the index. You can say like that. Okay,
Yes.
so I just want to see what is the length of DF. Okay, I just want to check what is the length of DF. Okay, this is okay. First I need to assign the DF now. Then only I can call this handle.
PD.
So I don't want to write all miss call. Okay. So now df one. Okay. One means what is the thing? I just want to call a particular thing. Okay. So I just want to call the index one in the df one. Okay. So when I call the index one, just see the capital bracket and index one means only one is available. Now you able to get the proper data. Means I want to call only the table which is available. Okay, so now you get the proper data with respect to each player. Okay, the player name, what is the age of the player, what is the this points of that particular player, as well as the other thing, all the thing you will get here, and even you can do the analysis. Okay, means what is the good means thing, and how what type of the thing need to improve a particular player, that you can do with the data. Okay,
Yes.
so now I just assign this particular thing again df, so my df will be updated. Okay, and now if I call the df, then this is the df, and you can do the analysis. But right now we are not doing the any analysis. We will do the analysis with the our operation data. We will do, but just before that we need to understand all these things, right? So we have column. Now if you want to see, I want to see the player name and the points, you can see. I want to see the data type of each column, you can see. The same function you need to run, right? Which we run
Yes.
earlier. All the thing you can do. I want to see the top head, you can see. You can see the tail part, okay, you can see. I want to see the age and the player name, you can see. You can call two column. Can I call the player and age?
Yes.
Okay. So just what I will be do for the easy understanding columns.
First you have to mention the column.
df. So we can directly do df double bracket.
Directly, but here I can get easily reference now. That's why are you able to understand? Means here I will get the all the name, so I can easily do the copy paste.
We can also directly copy paste from that data, no?
From data also you can copy paste, but you can call, no issue. Okay, what I want to call the df and the player name. Okay, df and double. Okay, because two row it is a
Yes.
data frame, so two capital bracket you need to use. I just pass the player. Why I'm using this? Because it is easy for me. Already comma or inverted comma, all the thing is present, na? So I can easily do
Age.
age. When you write na, sometime there may be in the data A
Yes,
is
spelling
capital
mistake.
and you
Yes.
write the small a, so
Yes.
it will make error. Now you are able to see the player and the age of the each player. Okay, so like that you can do. So how to take the data from the website also you are able to understand now, right? And maybe now the mind in your mind will become, okay, I want to save this particular thing. Okay, so suppose I assign a df1 for this particular thing and I want this particular
सर वो
record.
मेरे को स्टार
uh,
मार्क आ रहा
Star mark ara, wait.
है
So now see here I means taken the quick info related link and now I call after that particular link and this information is available on that particular link and there you can see like that each player and player 6 is seated till now. Okay, so this data is available. Okay, and I want to save this data.
सर ये मेरा नहीं आ रहा, ये एरर ऐसे दिखा
One point, just wait. Uh, I want to save this df1 into the Excel file in my system.
रहा है.
How to save? So just you need to write what is the file name. File name is df1.
Yes.
Write the file name. Then to CSV, to underscore CSV. I want to save to underscore CSV. That is the dot df1 full stop. Then to underscore CSV
Yes.
and write means what the file name you want. Write that now name, particular name. What the file name you want?
Cricket.
Cricket. Okay, cricket
Hmm.
dot csv. Okay, so this is the file name you want and index should be fall. You need to write. Why? I will tell you. Means index wala column I'm not interested in that column, right? Which means Python automatically provide, but I'm not interested in that particular column. That 0 1 2 3 column will come na?
Yes.
So that's reason you need to write false and run this particular code and now this particular
Equals to 4.
now when you run the ls
सर
and
कैपिटल F कंपलसरी है.
then only it will call false. Capital means it should be green. Now if I call the ls, that particular thing is available in my system. The cricket, it will be available. CR, cricket CSV. 17 time also available. 17 9 2022 15 33 means 333 cricket CSV. And if I go to the here and if I see the CSV file is available or not. Okay,
Yes, cricket says.
that is available.
Yes.
This file is available, right?
Yes.
And all the data is available here. You can see each player with respect to the player what means 6 is seated by the each player that you can see. Okay, the more point is like that. How to save that also we discuss. The next point is suppose means file is available in any another dictionary instead of pwd. So how to call? So that we will discuss and close. Okay, so now the file is available in the download and I want to call. So what you need to do first, this click the address. What is the address of that particular file? See user admin download. This is the address of the file,
Yes.
right? So copy that particular address. Okay, and now I want to call this particular Excel file. So how to call? Just see here.
How to copy the address?
Uh, 1 minute. I will go again. This is the download.
Yes.
Download there, click here. This is the address
Yes.
of the folder.
If we have directly data downloaded in downloads, then this the address comes this way. Is that okay?
Click here. What is this one is? I think no. You are inside.
Inside downloads, yes.
Inside na?
Hmm.
No, this is not 1 minute. Then what you need to do, click on the file. The one more option is available. See here. This is the
Yes,
file.
properties, right?
And okay, click on the properties, their location you will get.
Yes.
Okay, so this is
Yes.
the location. C admin download,
Yes.
control C, and now I go to the my Python page and
Yes.
pd
And अपना कोई भी file ले
dot
लेना
read.
download से.
Any file you can take, because I
Yes.
quickly try to give the idea. Underscore CSV, and this is the
Yes.
folder name.
But is that compulsory that the file which is there must be in CSV or it can be the other?
It can be any file.
तो चलेगा ना अगर वो CSV नहीं है और यहाँ CSV लिखेंगे चलेगा ना?
No. You need to write if HTML. You need to write HTML. It is XML. Then read XML.
तो
You
वो
need to
देखना
mention.
पड़ेगा ना सर फाइल कौन
हाँ,
सा है?
that is the CSV. I know that.
नहीं
हाँ,
मेरा Excel
हाँ. Then
में
check the property.
dot read.
Okay. So what is the? It is in the download. And what is the file name? Garment worker productivity.
सर वो Excel XM जो है
Hmm.
उसको क्या लिखेंगे उसमें दिया नहीं है XL SX है ये
That only. That will
पर
work.
उसमें नहीं आ रहा है सर वो उसमें ये वाला आता है
1 minute. 1 minute.
Excel में कैसे ना वो
Okay,
Excel का है.
here I'm getting the
Okay.
Unicode error. I'm solving this. Use the double slash and now run. It will work. Okay.
डबल
So,
स्लैश है
when means many times single slash will not work. It shows the Unicode error. Then put the double slash. It will work. Now I able to import that particular file, which is available in another folder, not in PWD. Okay. So,
all the slashes must be double slash
all should be
okay so
double. Assign the df of this particular data, and now I call the df dot add to only, and the here you can see what the data is available in this file. The date is available. Okay, this is the operation related data. The quarter is available, means there is the quarter na in company, like in every 4 month.
वही दिया मैंने.
In every 4 month every organization calculate
Find name done. Find name.
what is the quarter means
Double slash done.
related result that actually calculated. The department is given,
Dot कौन सा तेरा है?
days,
Excel है ना तो
team.
Excel से dot Excel है.
Okay, so I stop here, and okay, in the coming session we will discuss that part, how to do the analysis, how to identify
Yes.
the null value, that all the things we will do.